I don't feel so good. What can I do to scare Woodstock's hiccups? What's that over there? Come on, you beauty. In the DVD player you go. Come on, you beauty. Hey, Woodstock. What do you want, Snoopy? I've got a surprise for you. What is it, Snoopy? Well, just watch that and you'll see. Okay, Snoopy. It can't be. Oh, you did this to me. Well, at least the hiccups are gone now. That's it. Ow! That hurt! I don't care. This is what you deserve, Snoopy, for getting scared of all these hiccups. Ah! Ow. Man, what is wrong with Woodstock now?